We continue to follow the case of Edward Kindt tonight, the man who raped and murdered Salamanca mother Penny Brown back in 1999 on Mother's Day. He was released on parole last year, but is accused of violating it twice. Most recently, he was arrested late last month for allegedly escaping his transitional housing, coming back to Salamanca area where he wasn't supposed to be. And he was back in front of a judge today for that latest violation. The judge said they will make a decision on what is next at a later date, sending Kindt back into custody at the Dutchess County Jail. With this case back in the spotlight, we have been speaking with the victim's daughter and people advocating for change to parole laws in New York State.
It is a living nightmare, and how could there be a more glaring example of a failure?
Caitlin Brown, whose mother Penny Brown was raped and murdered by Edward Kindt in 1999, tells me her family has been torn apart, and Kindt's release on parole last year only made things worse.
How could there be a more glaring example of a system gone so wrong, that's failed the living victims, compromised our safety, our sanity, not to mention the general public?
Kindt's accused of violating his parole twice since his release in March of 2023. Most recently, just last month, when officials say he escaped supervised housing in Dutchess County, returning to Salamanca, where he's banned.
There are some parolees who are being released under less is more who have no business being back in the community.
Gina Lopez is a parole officer and says New York State's less is more law passed in 2021 makes it more difficult for parole officers to manage parolees and keep communities safe.
The case of Mr. Kindt is a clear example of some of those shortcomings of less is more. Under the less is more law, if Mr. Kindt is not charged with a crime, he will only serve up to 30 days in jail. Furthermore, while his violation process is pending, he is still collecting his time credits.
Lopez joining Assemblymember Monica Wallace Wednesday in Buffalo, pushing for new legislation to increase penalties for parolees who violate the conditions of their release.
Kindt poses a real danger to the community. Yet the Less is More Act limits the ability to reincarcerate him despite his flagrant unwillingness to abide by the conditions of release.
Brown calls the release of her mother's killer on parole a grotesque failure of the system.
This has been so traumatic that it is not an ordinary grief, and we've really been denied that.
Now, once again, today, Kindt had a parole violation hearing at the Poughkeepsie Area Parole Office. The administrative law judge reserving his decision for a later date, and he remains in the Dutchess County Jail.